Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a Google meeting in Google Classrooms. Okay, to create a meeting, open up your Classroom and now select the calendar right in here. Okay, as you can see the calendar appeared. Now select the date of the meeting, so let's say it can be today. Click on an empty space and now select Add Google Meet Video Conferencing, and now this code, a link appeared. We can save it and now we can join with Google Meet, or we can send this link into other people so they will be able to join. Alright, that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.